How are you, YouTube? How's the crack? I hope you're all well and happy. You might remember there a little while back I put a FT2800M in the car. VHF 2-meter job. I've been getting a couple of reports of dodgy audio on it, on the microphone. It's an MH-48. I have a feeling this is one of the knockoff ones. However, when I got my own one, there's a mod you can do to these microphones that will do a bit of an improvement to the audio. So we'll give it a shot on this one and see what happens. So the PCB is held in 1, 2, 3, and this screw here through the PTT switch. So we remove the PCB. Just be careful of the two mic leads. Lever that lad out. That's the mic insert there. So he's held in a little rubber capsule. That's it. So that's that out. So that's your mic insert there. Little electric job. So you can see in there, it's just kind of like blank behind the holes. So I'm going to pop that out. It's like a little diffuser. So just use the tail of a resistor. That's it there. It's like a little plastic half moon job. So we'll get rid of that. Make the holes a bit bigger. Oh, that should do the job. So you can see. And then we'll put it back together. Two little buttons fell off there, but that's no big deal. This is a bit tricky to put in, this mic insert. Fiddly. Back in. Get the PCB to go through the hole, which it doesn't want to now. I just have to maneuver it about a bit. Be careful of the wires that you don't trap any. Put one either side of that plastic post. Put our switch covers back on. They only go to one way. The little plastic part with the square in it should be facing down towards the front of the microphone. Oh, we'll put our screws back in. Change over to a smaller screwdriver for PTT. There's a little locating pin. You can see it there on the back of the switch opposite side of the screw. That goes into this hole, into the outside one. Make sure you have it in the right spot. PTT bar back in. Again, make sure all our wires are out of the way. Now, that should make a difference. We'll try that and see if we can get someone on 2 meters and see does it work. EI 7 Kilo Oscar testing, Echo India 7 Kilo Ontario testing, EI 7 Kilo Oscar testing. Modified mic, EI 7 Kilo Oscar testing, Echo India 7 Kilo Ontario testing, EI 7 KO testing. So, about an hour after I did that clip where I had the camera in the car, I got one of the guys that I'd been speaking to on the last QSO that said that the audio was very thin and nasty, and I compared the two mics with him, and he said that they were both the same and that it was chalk and cheese compared to the previous time I had spoken to him. So, job done, and only took a few minutes. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and stick around, and we'll catch you in the next video. My name is George, EI 7 Kilo Oscar 73, and all the best. Bye bye.